I'm going to be putting together this 1,000 piece Broadway The Musicals puzzle. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open up this box. Okay. And I'm going to empty out all the puzzle pieces. All my puzzle pieces. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate, oh, it's a big puzzle. I'm going to separate my puzzle pieces. I'm going to take the edges and put them on this side and all the non-edges on this side. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to come back. Okay, I have separated my puzzle pieces. I have all my edges here. My non-edges is over there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start putting my edges together. And then I'm going to come back. I want to show my progress on how far I completed the puzzle frame. And this is what I have completed. When I come back, I'll show the completed puzzle frame. I have completed the puzzle frame. And what I'm going to do now is look at my puzzle box. And there's yellow dots, like a frame. So I have a frame within the frame. So I'm going to pull out the yellow dots. The Broadway has yellow dots also. And then the musical sign. So I'm going to pull out all the dots, the yellow dots. So I'm going to pull out all my yellow dots. And I will come back. I pulled the puzzle pieces with the yellow dot from my puzzle pile. As you can see, I separated the one that had the yellow dots with the blue around it, and then I have the yellow dots with the red around it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on putting those pieces together, and I will come back. I have completed putting the dots together. As you can see, the border going around the Broadway. And the musical is missing. So what I'm going to do now is pull those letters out, which are these letters. You see them, they're like really blue. I'm going to pull those, and I'm going to pull also some of the reds that I'm missing, like the dots. I'm going to pull those pieces from my puzzle pile, and then I'll be back. I almost complete my musical sign. I'm just missing a piece here. What I did, I started pulling puzzle pieces that had letter and words on them. So as you can see, I put some together here, and then also Memphis here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on my puzzle pile. There's a lot of different signs, letters, and words. So I'm just going to start pulling them, and I'm going to put them together, and I will come back. I want to show the puzzle pieces that I pulled that have the words on them to let you see what I'm going to start working on next. So I'm going to put these pieces together, and when I'm done, I will come back and let you see the progress. This is what I have completed so far. All these pieces, I have most of the signs put together. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to attach them to the puzzle. And I will come right back. Okay, I am back, and I put in those pieces that I said I was going to put in. As you can see, they're filled in. This is a large puzzle, so I'm going to have to just go around the puzzle so you can see what I put in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go to my puzzle pile, and I see a lot of blue, so I'm going to pull all the blue pieces and see if I can put those pieces together to complete some of the puzzle, and I will be back. Okay, I was pulling my blues, and I decided to pull some yellows with it. Also, what I did was I found the piece to complete the musicals, so I completed that, and then I got busy, and I just started finding pieces, and I put pieces in there, put pieces there. I filled in this part down here, and coming over here, I fixed this part. So sometimes, you know, my eyes was just going and I was just putting in pieces. So what I'm gonna do now, I better go ahead and look at my blues and my yellows and work on that, and I'll come back. Okay, now it's time to show my progress. As you can see, I have put quite a bit of pieces together. I put a lot of blues in. So as you can see, I still have pieces missing, of course, but this is what I have so far. And what I want to show is that I have these pieces over here that I was putting together. I have to find some heads. So over here, as I was pulling pieces, as you can see, a lot of these puzzle pieces have a picture of their heads. Someone's head. A lot of those. So I'm gonna put those pictures, I'm gonna match the heads with the body if I can find them, and I will be back. This is what I have completed so far. I'll go closer. So you could see. I have these pieces that are left. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate them by color, and then I'm going to come back. I have separated the remaining puzzle pieces. I have my pinks, my yellows, my orange, reds, blues, the greens, the purples, the browns, blacks, and other colors that I had left. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to each section and put in the pieces, and I will let you see my progress. And I will be back. I want to show how much I've completed. As you can see, I have not that many pieces left. I'll zoom in a little closer. You can see where I put the faces in. Most of all the yellows and blues are in too. So when I come back, I will show you the completed puzzle. I have completed the puzzle. Thank you so much for watching.